Guys, welcome back to another video. In today's episode we are pretty much gonna be winging it. I don't really have plans for the day. Today's Monday and I'm actually off from work, so I had a 3-day weekend, which was pretty sick. And yeah, like I said, I don't really have much planned, much to do. Most of my friends are like working or they're busy. One of my friends is free right now, and we live literally 5 minutes away, pretty close to him. So I called him up and I was like, dude, you want to work out? And he's just like, yeah. So that's kind of the plan. It's gonna link up with the homie, get a quick workout in, and then from there we're gonna see what the rest of the day holds. But yeah, I figured I'd record it, and I usually don't record like when I work out and stuff. I kind of just keep that private. But I figured, like, you know, maybe you guys might want to see that type of content. So yeah, just gonna head over, get a quick pump. I'll record it for you guys, and from there we'll see what we might do. So yeah, we're in the 350Z. I started this car up first time today. So with that said, I'm gonna let the car get up to temp and stuff, and then after the car's all good, we'll head over to Zilly's house. You guys can meet him and we can get into this workout. So let's get it. Ooh, new G80. I'm sending it. With my ex, like Celine, not a flat. Talking to a diva, yeah, she on my nerves. This is his apartment, right? Yeah, it is. Okay, I like second guess myself. I'm gonna get parking right here. We just made it. I'm gonna link up with Zilly and we're gonna hop inside, check out his gym. It's super sick, and we're gonna get a quick workout in. So
what are you trying to train?
oh, whatever. We could do like
anything.
Yeah, whatever, anything and everything.
Is that you?
Yeah. Yo. What's up, dude?
It's good, bro.
Pulling up. Oh. Thank you, sir. I think that fits. Perfect. Oh, this? Oh, I can feel it. Can you feel it now, Mr. Krabs? That's a fire angle. What is up, guys? It is the next day. We're at a car meet. I'm out here with Adam, but my car's not in the show because they were charging $15 to get in. And I was like, fuck that.
Adam the cash, so I was like, fuck it.
Yeah, Adam's a baller, so he paid, but I don't roll like that, you know. Got a blue ZL1. I think this is called like the track pack. It has like the wing and the arrow. I don't know too much about these, but they're sick.
I like the color.
Yeah, this blue, and I'm a red guy. I like red better, but the blue, oh. Damn. So we can skip this. You guys have seen that before, but this is something very special. This is a IS300, but instead of the NA2J, it has a real 2J inside of it. Now I've seen this one around where I live. Word has it this makes anywhere between 500 and 700 horsepower. I don't know exactly how much, but this one is so far probably my favorite car here. And if you guys are OGs to the channel, you know I used to have 2 IS300s, so this car is really special to me. Adam's favorite car right here, Chevy SS. Big. He was just telling me he's gonna sell a Z and try to get one. I agree though. The Z is like, it's a cool starter car, but like, if you don't do anything with them, they're not really.
It's a good daily, but I don't know. I like my 4-door cars.
Yeah, I'm a big 4-door guy, obviously with the IS, but this is sick. I don't really know about Golfs, but it's got a hood dump. He's got a hood dump. Oh shit, you broke my neck. He's got a hood dump with no hood.
Like Jason.
Yeah, right. This is fire. Love that.
It's like the perfect spec.
This is Adam in 10 years, and that's Lewis in 10 years. This is fucking fire, bro.
No, this.
Bro, look at this. Fucking T37s. Let's see it. Let's check it out. Oh, it has like brown interior. I don't like that. This guy should pay 30 bucks because he took 2 parking spots, right? Is that how it works? Cool little FD. Got a far can right there. I like it. Big ass turbo. Almost as big as the engine. Sorry, sir, am I in your photo?
No, you're making the photo better.
Oh, okay. How'd it come out? Oh. You like the wheels?
I don't first choice.
I don't like them, but respect all builds, right? Oh, dude, what the hell? It's got some like gold tinfoil on the side exit. Hey, the owner's Puerto Rican. I like that.
It's love truck season.
If we paid, so Adam, tell me, if we have to pay $15 parking, is the food free, or the food costs money?
Food costs money.
Damn, bro, they're fucking trying to tax people out here. How do you guys feel about the new Type R? Do you like it? Do you hate it? Let me know in the comment section down below. But I love it. I think it looks a lot better than the previous gen. The last one was like 2-boy racer. This one is really subtle. And I also heard that this one handles a lot more smooth. It's not as harsh. Dude, this one's way better than the last one, right? Like 1,000 times better.
It's not as boxy.
I know. The rear end on the last one was so ugly.
It's open if you want to open it.
Really? Cool. Thanks, man. Owner just let me open it. Shout out to him. It's really clean.
How much room do you think?
Yeah. Got this nice coupe right here. This one's really clean.
Oh, sorry.
On some works. I like it. Yeah, we saw them. A couple of these go to the Sarasota ones. This one's fucking sick, dude. CRX. Little turbo right there.
Your baby turbo.
It's gonna be me next year? Oh. Maybe. Dude, this is like, I would rather own this than like this, right? I'm just the type of guy I am. I'm a Honda guy. And I just like how compact it is, you know. These are fire. Love that. Guys, this isn't a Lexus. This is actually a Toyota Soar, so.
ST300.
Yeah, it's not an SC300.
It is right-hand drive.
Yes, it's a real. You like that big truck, Adam?
I'm not a truck guy.
Yeah, not a lot of people are truck guys. Bone stock, Adam. Not really, but So far, favorite car here besides the Lexus. This one is fucking gorgeous, dude.
This one's also really.
Damn. You think if we both trade our Z's, like he'll give us the GTR? This one's fucking gorgeous. Let me show you guys the rear end of it. I don't know if it'll pick it up on the GoPro, but it is this beautiful purple color.
Yeah, the back ends are so nice. There was someone that was selling a Skyline full of gold.
This M3 is crazy. I don't know if I like the wide body on it, but the owner's crazy for that. I'll give him that. Damn, Adam. Free chemicals? You just grab them and just like free? They gotta be free, right? Because they're like right in front of his car. I'm not gonna lie, bro. This Z, I don't like stance. I don't like static. That's not really my thing, but like, it looks good, right? Perfect fitment, I think.
I like the stereo, yes.
Dude, the door cards? Didn't we see this at the other show in Tampa?
Yeah, this was at Tampa. All these cars were in Tampa.
Okay. This one's really cool. I like it. I wouldn't do it to mine, but I do like it. Sick. We got a couple exotics out here too. Basic traffic. Yeah. You guys have no idea. I want a Mark V so bad. They're just too much. Just a little. But as soon as they get into like the high 30s, 40s, I think it'll be a really good used car. But 50s right now, 60s, that's a lot. But dude, look at
Holy moly, dude.
this one's really sick too. Just a tip for you guys, if you see one of these on the back of a car, do not fucking run it, because you will get gapped. Like, you see something sticking out like that, probably not the best idea to run it. I don't care if you have a Lambo, Ferrari, just don't even bother, because that's crazy. You think he's gonna do a poll when he leaves? Yeah.
Steven, what do you think? Steven does dumb shit all the time.
Should we just stand right here and wait for him? Sounds like a VQ.
I don't know, I like that.
Sounds like Blake's car.